Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to invite friends to a league in FC Mobile. Inviting friends is the best way to enjoy leagues, organize matches and earn rewards together. So let's get started. First of all, launch open FC Mobile on your device and make sure that you're logged in and your league has been created. Now from the main lobby screen, click on Leagues at the bottom of the screen. Now, once you're inside your league menu, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top left corner. Now this will open up the league setting, from where you'll need to select invite members. Tap on the plus button right next to invite members and then enter the name of the person you want to invite to the league. From the search result, tap the plus icon right next to the player's name, and if that person has allowed, then you'll be able to invite them to the league. Repeat the process and add more invitations to your league. Once the invitations are sent, your friends need to join into the league by accepting the invite. And that's it. You successfully learned how to invite friends to your league in FC Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.